Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, and today we are starting a new series on the channel. Woo! I'm so excited. I'm super stoked to start it, and it's going to be called StitchUp. So StitchUp is basically about beginner-friendly tutorials. Anyone who knows me knows I love sustainable fashion. I love when I can wear an outfit in so many ways. You know, clothes that are versatile, you know, reversible, convertible, all-around creative, guys. So if you guys have seen on my channel regularly, I post fashion videos of how you can style your scarves into different things. Now I'm wearing one as a top right now. It's super comfortable. I love it. It's so beautiful. Now guys, you can also make this same scarf that I'm wearing into a bag. Like, look, this is a bag. It's so spacious. I made a video on how to make these scarves as bags. I'll link it up here or here. So I'm going to link it up here so you guys can see how to make different bags. There is even a backpack. Like, this scarf is that versatile. Now, if you want yours, reach out to me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. And also, for your headbands, I have several headbands that you guys can order for. You can order for it on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. Now look at this. It's with African print. Like, what does African print not go with? Please tell me. There's the plain version. You know, you can send me your colors. If you have a bridal shower coming up, you can gift your girls, or if you're planning a surprise bridal shower, guys, I would love you guys to reach out to me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I'll be ready to respond to you. So today we're starting StitchUp episode 1 with our DIY camera or bag strap. Now this is what I'm talking about. This is a camera or bag strap. Now it has this hook that you can hook to anything, whether it's your bag, no matter what size the bag is. I'm going to teach you guys the narrow one and the wide one, which I'm going to show you guys very soon. So why I love this is because I can just put it on my neck today like this and tomorrow like this, and it will look like two different straps entirely. That's why I said sustainable fashion, guys. You can make it reversible, convertible, all around versatile. Now this is the one that I said is the wide strap. Now this wide strap has pockets. Now which strap has pockets? If you want yours, actually, your custom made ones, you know, the ones available, you can reach out to me as well on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. Guys, this pocket, you can put your phone, your lens, if you're going to shoot, your lens, your extra batteries, your microphone, you can put anything inside. And you don't necessarily need to have a small bag before you can use it. It won't break on you. It's that sturdy. Now I'm going to teach you guys how to make it. Guys, please subscribe as well. A lot of you guys are watching my videos but you're not yet subscribed. Please join the family, subscribe, and I hope you guys learn so much from this particular tutorial. I'm going to be dropping them from time to time, different tutorials that you guys can do. They're actually beginner-friendly DIY projects that you can do. So this is an amazing one. And you know, let's just get our intro in right now and do what? StitchUp! Woo! I'm so excited, guys.
So here's what we'll be needing for this tutorial. Our fabrics, I'll be using two different ones for the two styles. A sturdy fabric for the straps, cuff. I'm going to tell you guys what this means. Pins, clips, swivel hooks, D-rings. So I'm going to change this to D-rings. You guys are going to see it soon. Snap clips, fabric chalk, measuring tape, scissors, quilting ruler. Now those who have seen my Get to Know Me Again video would have heard the nuggets I shared on this ruler. So let's get started with our wide strap. So for the wide strap, we're going to be measuring 40 by 12 inches and a pocket of 12 by 10 inches. Then for our cuffs, we'll be measuring 4 inches by 5 inches. Now, because my quilting ruler is actually 17 inches, I can easily measure for all my cuffs at the same time. So this is the same measurement of the cuffs we're using for these wide straps and the narrow straps. So we're cutting the cuffs right now. So here I'm cutting 16 inches by 5 inches because it's going to be so much easier. I'm just going to divide it by 4. So that becomes 4 inches by 5 inches automatically. Now you guys can see me cutting it right here by 4 inches. So I've measured it individually at 4 inches by 5 inches, and it's so super easy. You know, it doesn't consume my time at all. Now once our pieces are cut, we need to start pinning. So first up, you're going to grab your pocket piece and fold it in a double fold at the top. So you're going to fold it by 1/4 inch twice. That will mean you're using 1/2 inch as your seam allowance. So as you're folding, you're pinning, guys. I always love pinning anything I'm doing because it makes it so much easier. Then we're going to take the pocket piece and turn it to the other side. So like I'm doing right here, we're going to measure 3.5 inches. So that's 3.5 inches. And we're going to place it on the edge of the long strap. So once you're done with that, we're going to start pinning. So we're pinning by 1/2 inch.
So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had
Now that we're done pinning, this is it folded to the other side. This is what it's going to look like in the end. This is what your pocket is going to look like once you know you're done with all the sewing, which we're going to do right now. So let's get sewing. Now here's how we're going to sew our cuffs. Now this is going to work for both this scarf and the second one, but I'm still going to explain it again when we're making the second one. Now here's how it works. You're going to fold it by the 4-inch mark. So the side that has 4 inches, you're going to fold it basically. So you're going to go from left all the way to the center, well, almost the center, because you're going to leave a space that you're going to turn your fabric out. Then you continue and go back to the left. Now I'm going to show you again. You're going to go straight from the left upwards, then you go down to almost the center, then you move again, creating a space before starting again so you can pull your fabric out when you're done. So now guys, we're done sewing. Now this is what it looks like. I've gone ahead to iron it, and I also ironed the edges. Now this is going to make it easy for me when I'm folding it in a double fold. So when you fold it in a double fold with this crease line, it automatically falls. Like look at it, it automatically falls. But guys, if you feel uncomfortable at this pocket area, you need to sew it by 1/4 inch, so it's going to be easier for you to fold it in a double fold. Now I really don't need that because I don't really have a problem sewing it like this, but guys, please sew it by 1/4 inch if it's not going to be so easy for you when you're sewing it in a double fold. So we're going to pin this right now and sew our cuffs and our strap. So guys, our cuffs are sewn, and this is how you turn it inside out. So you basically just push it out, and that's it. It's so easy because it's a small piece of fabric. Look at how I'm doing it. That's all you need to do. If it's not pointy at the tip, you're going to use something to just poke it out, and yeah, basically this is what it's going to look like.
things you know you love. Do what you think is right.
And here is our sewn piece. Guys, look at the pocket area. Everything is ready. Basically this is everything right now, except that the cuffs are not yet there. So guys, this is already almost, this is about 90% ready. This is about 90% ready. So we're going to take our cuffs and our swivel hook, and we're going to put it inside each other. So we're going to put the cuffs basically inside the swivel hook because that's how we're going to do it. So this is what it's going to look like in the end. We will do it for the second one as well. Basically the same thing for the second one. Then we're going to take our scarf. So what we're going to do is basically fold the tip in a zigzag form and sandwich it into our cuffs. So like I'm doing right here. So once you're done with this, we're going to sew it all around. We're going to sew our cuffs all around, and I would advise that at the top you guys sew it again, like sew it twice, so you have 2 lines of stitches. Do you guys get? So we're going to stitch it all around, then have 2 lines of stitches at the top. So now guys, we're going to sew it, and I'll be right back. Yes, guys, this is what we have right now. This is so beautiful. I'm going to put it on the camera right now so you guys can see it. Now I've put the snap clips on the camera just because the camera strap holder cannot really fit these hooks, because these hooks are actually quite big. So I had to use the snap clips because they are very thin and strong. So I had to put it there before putting my clips. Guys, this is an amazing DIY project that I love. Look at it. It's so amazing. It's so beautiful. Look at the pockets. The pocket is big enough to take anything. I'm going to put in my microphone. I'm going to teach you guys how to make this drawstring purse very soon. I mean, it's going to be reversible, guys. You're going to be able to use inside and outside. So stay tuned, stay glued, subscribe, guys, so you can see the amazing things I'm going to offer on this channel. I can also choose to put in my lens or my extra batteries as well. It's just going to fit in everything I basically need for that particular task, project, creative work. You know, if I go out to shoot, I can easily have all my accessories, you know, with me. Guys, I love this DIY. Now let's go over to the narrow straps to learn how that is done.
Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got
For the narrow strap, we're going to be measuring 40 inches by 7 inches.
I feel this.
Now guys, if you are measuring the width, the 7 inches mark, I would advise you guys to measure it twice. Now measure it from the right side and from the left side, like I'm going to do in this video. So once you're done, you cut it out, and that's basically what you need alongside the cuffs. So for the cuffs, I'm just trying to say this again so you guys don't need to go back to check for the measurements. I'm just going to put everything in one place for you guys here. So you're going to measure 5 inches by 4 inches, and we're going to need 2 pieces. So that's 2 pieces of 5 inches by 4 inches. Once you've cut it out, we're going to go into our pinning process. Now guys, here it's just 2 pieces you need for this particular strap. It's because I cut everything for both straps from the beginning. That's why you can see 4 pieces here. Guys, you need just 2 pieces. So you're going to fold the fabric by the width, which is the 7 inches point, right sides facing each other. Guys, you need to check it well. Right sides facing each other. So when you do that, you're going to start pinning. So we're just going to pin it by the long edge. We're not going to touch the top or the bottom, just the long edge, and that's it, guys.
That to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never run. So fight and fight.
Then we move on to pinning our cuffs. So you're going to fold it by the 4-inch mark. So the one that is 4 inches, you're going to fold it into 2. Then we're going to sew from the top, then move to the side, and we're going to leave a space in between the 2 stitches. So once you leave a space, you now continue to the bottom. So I'm going to say it again. You start from the top, slide, stitch it to almost the center, leave a space, then continue from there over to the bottom. So we're going to get stitching, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. Now we've stitched our piece, take a safety pin and just use it to turn your fabric inside out. Then we'll turn the cuffs. And once that is done, if you have an iron at hand, you know, at the moment, you can iron your piece or just continue what you're doing and iron it later. So right now I'm going to head to iron our fabric piece, and I'm going to be putting our cuffs into the D-rings. Now guys, remember I said we're not going to use these buckles again, so we're using the D-rings. Now the D-rings help it to not just move from left to right just anyhow. It's going to help it stay. Now this is how you do it. You're just going to put in the cuffs into the D-rings. Now these snap clips are here because they are serving as our hook basically. So this is what you need to do to make the D-ring go into this little tiny hole that you see on these snap clips. You're going to have to pull, guys, depending on what size your D-rings are. I use this average size because I don't want anything to be falling off on me. You know, it's strong, it's sturdy. I don't want any stories that touch. I mean, we're going to be using this for a camera, for our bags. We don't want any stories that touch. No, we are going to make it quality. So you're going to take your time to actually do this. So we're at 97% basically. So what you're going to do is fold it in a zigzag manner like we did earlier and just sandwich it into your cuffs. Now we're going to go through the process the same way, sew it all around, and if possible, sew it twice at the top. So you're going to sew 2 stitches at the top and you're going to sew it all around. Then once we're done, I'll be back to show you guys the final masterpiece.
Things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never run.
Now guys, this is how it basically looks.
For the things you know you.
So we're going to put it into each hook and that's it. Our bag is ready. It makes it look so chic. I love this African print touch it gives the bag. You know, it's not basic. It's super amazing, super classy. It's giving me that color combination that I actually need to any outfit whatsoever.
I'm a human being, covered them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems.
So guys, we are back. I hope you guys learned so much from what you guys just watched. I enjoyed filming it. I enjoyed making it. I enjoyed making everything basically. This is it right here. I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. It's just super amazing. Please, if you need one, reach out to me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. Or if you need bulk purchases, custom made ones, you know, your straps, your headbands, your scarves. I do bulk purchases. I do custom made designs. I'm ready to help you with it. I also have kaftans that you can style in over 7 ways. Like one kaftan over 7 ways. And this is summer. Oh, and in Nigeria, every day is summer. Every day is summer basically in Nigeria. So you need that regal look to make you look so chic and so beautiful. I have a tutorial on it on how to style them as, you know, different styles, over 7 styles, guys. I'm going to link it up here as well so you guys can check it out. It's been so amazing filming this and, you know, talking to you guys about it, about my passion. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. I would love you guys to, you know, join the family, you know, join this amazing community of creativity. I love when I'm imparting into people across the world, not just my immediate environment, but across the world. And that's what YouTube has helped me to do. So please guys, subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment in the comment section what else you want me to do, what else you want me to make, you know, what you learned from this particular DIY project basically. You know, share this video. Some people would really want to learn this particular project, and I would love to connect with you as well on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. It's been amazing being on this platform. And that's all I have to say, guys. Do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage from Nigeria. Yes guys, I'm from Niger. It's still Lara Savage Creations right here, signing out.